Hey there, Rodrigo here for Textualize, and in this short video I want to show you the Textual Colors command. So if you've installed the Textual DevTools, and I'll link to a video that helps you go through this process, if you've installed the Textual DevTools, and if you don't know, maybe if you run your application with Textual Run, then you have the DevTools installed. The Textual DevTools have a couple of different subcommands. At the time of recording, it has these ones. And if you go ahead and if you type textual colors, it's going to open a very useful textual application that shows you the theme colors and the named colors that Textual knows of. So at the time of recording, there's a couple of theme colors that come predefined, and they are defined inside CSS variables, so that's why there's the $sign in front of the name. And the stripes here show the color itself. The column on the left shows the name, so this orange is secondary. And then the text muted and the text disabled, they're going to show you what muted text and what disabled text will look like on top of these colors. So on the left we can scroll to specific colors, so the surface color, the panel one, or maybe to the accent one. And this app lets you explore the colors that are defined. And the named colors tab contains a list in alphabetical order of all of the named colors that Textual recognizes. So the transparent one here is at the top because it's a special one. It's going to be transparent. It's going to look black in this app, but it will depend on the background of the widget that's behind the thing that's set to transparent, and then there's a bunch of different colors. And I was exploring, and there I said alphabetical order. They're not really in alphabetical order. There's some order, actually. To be honest, I don't think I know what order this is. They might be grouped in terms of the standard where the name comes from, maybe. And then I was exploring the app before recording this video, and I found out that at this point there's a bunch of colors that do seem like they're ordered alphabetically, and then at the bottom there's Rebecca Purple, which I just found very amusing. So yeah, if you found this amusing as well, let me know. So there's a bunch of colors here, and this app has a toggle for the dark mode so that you can see what colors look like in the dark and light mode. And for example, there's a couple of, let's see. Yeah, so some colors react to the changes of the dark mode. So on light mode, panel looks like this. Actually, yeah, and on dark mode it's slightly darker. And I think it's surface that also changes. Yeah, surface also changes, and then there's a couple of other ones that don't. So secondary background, is this the same? Yeah, it does change. So you can see that there's a couple of differences, so you can explore and pick the best colors for your applications. So yeah, I just wanted to show you the textual colors command. Maybe you already knew it, maybe you didn't. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.